And welcome back to another video on Macorlee Travels, and it is the last day here in Malta. So we've checked out, packed the car, everything's sorted, and we've come down to Marsaskala. We've come down to Marsaskala, so we're going to have a little walk around. There's a few places that I've got pinned around here, and there's an abandoned hotel just behind me. We're going to have a little explore and hopefully fly this drone as well. So we've come about 6 minutes further down the road and parked up because we've come to Munxar Window. It looks really pretty, so we're going to take a walk and have a see whether we can find it and have a see about some drone footage here as well. And that was that beautiful little window. I'm going to say little window because I can't remember how to pronounce it or know how to pronounce it. But we're around St Thomas Bay. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a drive back because we drove past a load of like restaurants and stuff right on the seafront. So we thought it'd be really, really good to have a little nibble, fill our bellies, and then continue with the day. So I shall catch you when we get some food. Now we've now arrived at St Peter's Pool, St Peter's Bay, so we're just going to have a chill here for a couple of hours, catching some of the last of the sun before we drive back to the airport to come back to England. So yeah, this is going to be the last place. We'll have a little chill and then I'll just catch you soon. And that was the InstaMuse Cafe in the smart city in Malta. And we're gonna end the vlog here because all I've got left to do is go to the airport and fly back to England, and you don't need to see that. So I do hope you've enjoyed today's video and this series, and yeah, if you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you don't miss a post, because we've got a couple more of Malta to come, like the best of Malta and drone shots. So yeah, keep exploring the world one footprint at a time, and until next week, adios.